In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add section to subtask in Asana. We'll start by getting into your Asana workspace. Open Asana and head to the login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. This method is quick and secure, and it connects you to the right workspace automatically. When prompted, select your Google account to finish signing in. If your browser is already authenticated, you might jump straight into Asana without extra prompts. Once you're in, locate the project where you want to organize subtasks with a section. Click into that project to open its main view. Next, open the specific task where you plan to create and organize subtasks. This will bring up the task details panel on the right, which is where all subtask work happens. Inside the task details, find the subtasks area and click Add Subtask. You'll see a new subtask line appear. Type a clear, action-oriented subtask name so it's obvious what needs to be done. Think in terms of verbs and outcomes. For example, draft outline or upload assets, so anyone viewing the task understands the purpose at a glance. Now here's the key move to create a section within your subtasks. Make sure your cursor is active in the subtasks list, then press Tab followed by N on your keyboard. This is Asana's shortcut to create a section. A new line labeled New Section will appear. If you don't see it right away, confirm that your cursor is placed in the subtasks area and try the shortcut again. Keyboard shortcuts are context sensitive in Asana, so the focus needs to be in the right place. Click on the new section placeholder to select it, and then type your section name. Keep section titles short and meaningful, such as Planning, In Review, or Blocked. Press Enter to save the name. Sections act like headers that visually group related subtasks, making it easier to scan and manage work. After naming the section, you can continue adding more subtasks and place them under that header. If needed, you can reorder existing subtasks by dragging them beneath the section so your list mirrors your workflow. That's it. You logged into Asana, opened the right project and task, added a subtask, then used the Tab plus N shortcut to create a section specifically in the subtask list, and name that section to keep everything organized. Use this approach anytime you need to structure a complex task. Sections make priorities and phases obvious, and they help teammates understand where each piece of work belongs. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Asana!